Today, a news source from Dubai has released two quick unboxing videos showcasing the white and gray models of the Galaxy Buds 3. The only distinction between the two versions is their color. Let's take a look. We recently got our best look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro TWS earphones, which are expected to debut at the Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10 in Paris. Reddit user plastic_development1 shared pictures after purchasing the Buds 3 Pro from Walmart for $250. Two other Reddit users, Ling0nextuse and Single_Mind, also managed to buy the Buds 3 Pro before launch and shared their impressions. Plastic_development1 praised the sound quality, noting it is superb with slightly higher bass. They prefer the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro over their first-gen Apple AirPods Pro. Both the ambient mode and active noise cancellation ANC are superior to the AirPods Pro. However, the mic quality is similar to the AirPods Pro with recorded voice sounding muffled. Plastic_development1 also noted that the settings menu only showed AAC and SBC as supported audio codecs. The touch controls include sliding on the stem for volume adjustment and squeezing the stem to pause/skip music. A screenshot revealed that the lights on the stems can be turned on/off with a pinch and hold gesture when both buds are out of the case and have at least 30% battery. The lights support 3 styles: blinking, fade in and out, and steady. Another screenshot revealed voice detect support for ambient mode, which can be manually turned off by pinching the earbud after it's automatically enabled. Regarding design and build, Plastic_development1 mentioned that the charging case and buds feel premium, with a plastic hinge that feels sturdy compared to the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Ling0nextuse stated that the Buds 3 Pro's stems don't feel like a big upgrade over the Buds 2 Pro's bean design, and the music quality is similar. However, the ambient mode and ANC are improved, with the latter being better than the Buds 2 Pro and AirPods Pro. The slide gesture is limited to volume control, while the pinch/press gesture can perform 4 different functions. By default, a long press switches between ANC and ambient mode. Single_Mind noted that the Buds 3 Pro and their charging case are lightweight and made of plastic, which makes them feel cheap. However, they are very sturdy with no flex at all. The case is solid with a good magnet, and the buds fit snugly. The sound quality is better than the Pixel Buds Pro, with improved treble, bass, and volume. However, the 360-degree sound and head tracking lags slightly. The ambient mode is good but not very natural and can be adjusted through the app. Single_Mind found the Buds 3 Pro comfortable and better fitting than the Pixel Buds Pro. They come with medium-sized tips installed, plus small and large tips in the box, along with a USB cable. The touch controls are responsive with a little haptic tick. Voice detection works well and battery performance is decent, with a 1-hour conversation with ANC enabled consuming about 33% battery. Charging the buds in the case for 12 minutes brought them up to 97%. Alongside the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Buds 3 next week. A recent image of their retail box showed that the vanilla buds will also feature a stem design.